What's up guys? So, we are hearing a slow and steady drip of Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 leaks, and it's starting to sound like one of the best Android tablets we have seen, or we could say they are, as it sounds like there will be a Plus and Ultra version of the Slate too. Anyway, if you want to get video like this, sub to this channel will be amazing. Now, let's get start the video. So, at this point, we all know Samsung will be launching the 3 Galaxy Tab S8 models next year, where the Ultra model is rumored to feature a monstrous 14.6-inch display and a huge 11,500 mAh battery. But that's not all. Recently, those specs are again reiterated by tipster Ice Universe, who also revealed the model number as well as screen resolution of the device. Furthermore, talking about the display, the Tab S8 Ultra and Tab S8 Plus will be equipped with an OLED panel, while the base variant Tab S8 is expected to feature a TFT panel, all equipped with 120Hz on board. Moreover, Samsung is also reported to be working on a new ultra-thin display bezel technology for the Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra, called BRS, aimed at reducing bezel thickness between the tablet's display and chassis. However, I guess ultra-thin bezels on a tablet don't make as much sense as they do on phones, but smaller bezels could be a good idea for a tablet with a 14.6-inch display. Also, all 3 tabs reportedly feature a dual 13-megapixel plus 5-megapixel rear camera setup, while the Tab S8 Ultra's front 8-megapixel snapper is accompanied by a secondary 5-megapixel ultra-wide, which is shown in home fitness and video conferencing use cases. Also, the Tab S8 series is expected successor to Qualcomm's current Snapdragon 888 line of flagship chips. With it said, if you are curious, the Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra is expected to release alongside the Galaxy S22 series, which is expected to arrive in January 2022. Anyway, that's all the latest news. What do you guys think about it? Let me know your thoughts on that in the comments down below. And if you somehow like this video, sub to the channel will be make my day. And my name is Arjun. This is Digital Outside, so as always I'll catch you guys in the next one.